Series LLCs and real estate. Today I want to join you with some additional thoughts on this important topic. We see series LLCs paired off with real estate a lot, and today I want to go a bit deeper to hopefully give you some more insights. I'm Shawn McBride. I'm a business lawyer by training. I help business owners and leaders achieve their goals, and I put videos on this channel to help business owners understand better some of the legal issues around business. Now, we see series LLCs a lot. Particularly advocated by some real estate investors. And the basic idea of a series LLC is that you have one LLC, sometimes called the master LLC, which is filed with the state, and then you have a bunch of series which, by the way the statute works, should theoretically work as individual silos of assets and liabilities. Now, I have some concerns because under federal bankruptcy law, the series are not nominated as filers. So would a federal bankruptcy court respect the individual series LLCs, or would they just consolidate everything together, in which case you're not really going to get the benefits of a series LLC in the event of a bankruptcy filing? So it's a big question mark out there. Now, we see the series LLCs in real estate a lot because a lot of these real estate trainers and people out there around the world are going to say, set up separate series, put each piece of real estate in a different series. That way you don't have to worry about this. The series will protect you. And that's a great starting point, and it is a potential concept. But it does have the downside in that we don't know if these series are going to be respected. So we may end up putting everything in the same bucket anyway. We think we're putting them in separate buckets. We think we're separating out the LLCs, but ultimately we're not. Another issue with real estate, of course, is going across state lines. Series LLCs are not recognized in every state. Not every state has a series LLC provision in their LLC statute. So some states will allow it, some states won't. A real question arises, which hasn't been worked out, is what happens when you cross a state line. If you're a series LLC in, say, Texas, and then you start to do business in a state that doesn't recognize series LLCs, what will happen next? All of this to say, there's a good bit more risk with series LLCs than what is portrayed by many of the real estate investors, which leads to you and me having to make decisions. And this is something I talk to my clients about, particularly when they're very excited about series LLCs. And I recommend you sit down with your lawyer and have this conversation with them as well. Is this series really going to work the way I think it is? Is it really going to protect me, or do I have bigger problems? I hope that's helpful for you. If you have general comments or questions, you can drop them below. Don't put anything confidential. Other people can see your comments on a channel like this, so just put general questions, nothing specific to you or your situation. I welcome you to join me in the comments. I learn a lot there, and I hope you check out our library of past videos, and you may want to consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for tuning in today, folks.